Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will walk you through the simple steps to order food delivery using DoorDash. Whether you're craving a quick bite or planning a special meal, DoorDash makes food delivery easy and convenient. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the DoorDash app or visit the website. To begin, you can either download the DoorDash application from the App Store or Google Play, or you can visit their website at www.doordash.com. Once you're on the platform, you'll need to create an account if you don't have one already. Signing up is quick and requires your email, phone number, and basic information. Step 2. Enter your delivery address. After logging in, the app or website will prompt you to enter your delivery address. This is important as it will help you see the restaurants available in your area. Be sure to input your address accurately to avoid any delivery issues. Step 3. Browse restaurants and menus. Once your address is set, you can browse through a list of nearby restaurants. You can filter your search based on cuisine, popularity, or dietary preferences. Click on any restaurant to view their menu. Take your time to explore various food options. Step 4. Add items to your cart. Found something delicious? Click on the item to see more details and any customization options. Once you've made your selections, hit the Add to Cart button. Continue browsing and adding more items until you've selected everything you want for your meal. Step 5. Review your cart. When you're ready to check out, go to your cart by clicking the cart icon. Here, you can review your selected items, adjust quantities, or remove anything you don't want. Be sure to check if there are any special instructions or notes you want to add for the restaurant. Step 6. Select a payment method. After reviewing your order, it's time to enter your payment details. DoorDash accepts various payment methods, including credit, debit cards, and digital wallets. Input your payment information and confirm your order. Step 7. Place your order. Once your payment is set up, click the Place Order button. This will finalize your order and send it directly to the restaurant. You'll receive notifications updating you on your order status and estimated delivery time. Step 8. Track your delivery. After placing your order, you can track its progress in real time via the app or website. You'll see when the restaurant starts preparing your food, when it's being picked up by your dasher, and when it's on its way to you. Step 9. Enjoy your meal. Once your food arrives, all that's left to do is dig in. Make sure to check your order to ensure everything is correct. Enjoying a delicious meal has never been easier with DoorDash. Thank you for watching. We hope this step-by-step guide helps you navigate DoorDash effortlessly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more quick eats content.